Today I have slime right here. I made it for my friend. She sleep right there though, under the covers. I like see her little hair sticking out. She sleep, but she says she's not sleeping here. I will part her. I was eating for snacks. She's spending the night here, and so it's like, what time is it? It is 4:21 in the morning, and I was making slime for her because she wanted some. And all I have to use for the slime is toothpaste, contact solution, and glue. But when you all mix it together, you make it non-sticky. Put more contact solution. Just keep stirring it, and then start to use it with your hands, and then it'll be all good like this. And it'll smell like toothpaste. Like you smell it. It smells like toothpaste. And so, like, yeah, this is how you make a looking mess for nail. And don't mind my nails. I didn't get to finish them, but yeah. So this is my slime that I made for my friend. Okay guys, get a like, thumbs up, and subscribe. I will make some more channels. Bye.